What's up, everybody? It's your girl Lavina coming back with another savings video. Okay, y'all, I made my budgeting video already, so that's why y'all not seeing me really go over my budget. Now, I don't know if I'm going to be doing it that way or am I going to still be busting the book down for y'all every time. I might do it every week, make a budgeting video or go over that every week and then explain all my expenses. I love budgeting now, y'all. I'm starting to really love it, and I can see what I'm doing with my spending and everything. And y'all, do y'all know y'all girl have not been to McDonald's in over a week, okay? In over a week. I'm loving it, okay? I'm loving knowing what my money is doing and what's going on with that. Okay, y'all? So today, I did put the money, is it in here? Yeah, I didn't get it out. I'm sorry, y'all. When I be making my videos, I'll be putting whatever money in the binder. But as y'all see, we will be working out of the sinking fund binder. Let's get the thumbnail. All right. So, y'all, let's count this money. We got 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So we just going to be doing a little something in our sinking fund. Okay. And then the money that I save for my manufactured home, y'all, I am going to be sharing it with y'all. I'm going to be sharing it with y'all. I have, I'm going to be sharing it with y'all. Is it in here? Yeah, it's in here. So far, Miss Jacqueline gave me some money. That's not in here yet. But so far, we have 50, 70, 80, 90. And plus what Miss Jacqueline gave us, I have to go cash that check and put it in here. So just know I'm saving, okay, y'all? I don't know. Yeah, I am saving. I'm going to share it with y'all because it is what it is. And don't forget, if y'all want to help me on my journey to purchase and find me a manufactured house, a used one, y'all, I don't want to spend over $5,000 for it. If I can get it for free, that'd be also a blessing. Hopefully, I see people on YouTube getting them for just come get it and move it and find some land. But the first step is finding a little piece of land. And then the second step is the manufactured house. Okay? So I'm keeping my eye out and see if I can. I've been on Facebook Marketplace. I don't have the money yet, but I want to manifest it to me. I want it to come, okay? So if anybody want to help, you can also reach out to me. My phone number is in the description box. My Cash App is too. However you want to do it. And when we do get it, I'll let y'all know what we need and all that good stuff so y'all can go on the journey of this whole remodeling thing. Okay? They don't know it yet. They talking about, ooh, I'm ugly and this and that. Y'all don't see it what I see. And I don't care how ugly it is. And I know y'all don't either. Because your girl we got to make a move. And we got to January, okay, to get our stuff together and get out of here. All right, y'all. So the first envelope we will be stuffing will be the emergency fund. It's getting $5. Now my emergency fund has $10. Y'all see what I mean? It won't be no, and then people be like, why you don't save your emergency fund first? Why you know what? You want to know why? Because I be broke, okay? I be broke. That's why I got to get out of this house. It's hard to save an emergency fund. It's hard to pay all your credit cards off when you paying 80% of your money you get into rent, okay? So that's why I really need y'all help. I'm going to need the world's help. I'm going to need God's help. I don't care. At least help me by praying, okay? Don't talk about me. Help me. Because, I cannot stay here another lease, and it's only gonna go up another $50. So that'll be $23.50, and then after that $2,400. It just never stops. Come on now. No, I feel like a slave. Okay, debt is getting $5. Now debt has $7. See, debt has $7 though. Shopping won't be getting nothing. Car maintenance will be getting $5. Yep, car maintenance gonna get $5. So now car maintenance has 5, 6, 7, 8. I wasn't feeling that well this week, y'all, because my monthly. But, you know, I'm feeling better. So I really haven't DoorDashed a lot. That's why I haven't really sent off Kim's package too. I just really didn't have the money. And then, like, work, y'all, I be tired after that. Like, but I got to get it together, whether I'm tired or not, because I got to get this manufacturer house. Okay, so travel getting $2. Now travel has $3. Credit cards will be getting $2. 1, 2. Now it has $3. Transportation will be getting $1. Now it has 6. And then we have our, it was supposed, I must have miscounted somewhere. It was supposed to be $1 in taxes, but we have to do our dollar, this, we have to do our $1 a day. Now it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This gonna be a good thing. I'm gonna have my paper clips, y'all. So now it has $9. Y'all, if y'all like this video or videos like this, please consider hitting the like and subscribe button for your girl. Keep me in your prayers. Keep my auntie Sharon in your prayers. And don't forget, smile. Jesus loves you. See you on the next video. Bye.